Do you have the list of best doctors in world? I do. For me, top of the list is sun, then water, air, and plants. Spending time in nature helps me feel and understand my emotions. Nature is the best doctor for me. When I feel happy, I feel happier or excited when I let myself in nature. And when I do not feel good, I feel calm being surrounded by nature. It's amazing how whole nature as one helps us feel calmer and healthier. In my opinion, one of the best ways to understand your emotions is to be with yourself in nature. The closer you get to nature, the closer you are with your mind. Every single walk with nature gives me more happiness and confidence. This is why I feel healthier when I am surrounded by nature. Understanding my own emotions and taking care of my mental health is so wonderful. For me, nature makes me feel better than I used to be, mentally, physically, and emotionally. I think our mind gets calmer in nature. I feel my breath deeper while walking around plants. Looking at green trees brings a smile on my face. One of the main reasons why I feel so calm around nature is I can see and feel nature is very calm too, doesn't hurry at all. I walk to the same park for years now and see the trees that I used to see many years ago. It's amazing how calm and slowly these plants are growing. I am grateful for living in one of the most amazing countries in the world, Australia. I see this as an opportunity to have, see, and use nature every day. At home, I am in a space where my life is the way I want. Outside home, I feel I am carrying joy because of the wonderful nature around me. The greatest gift you can give yourself, family or husband, wife, or the closest people around you is your healthy you. Take care of yourself. Please subscribe to my channel and comment below this video how do you feel when surrounded by nature. Also your thoughts and suggestions for my channel. This is my very first collaboration. I am proud and feeling loved. See ya!